Hey, welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I am talking about the 7 best dividend paying US stocks. So let's begin. So first of all, go to Play Store and after that search their daily stock news and analysis. After that, you got the third application and click on it. I already installed that application. Just open it and you got their 7 beautiful and you get their daily stock newses and recommendation apps. After all analysis, you can read all newses there. So guys, that's the video. I hope you like the video, and I hope you find best app. So thanks to watching. Thank you.